Hi everyone, with you DatabrokerDAO ICO. Today I want to tell you about such ICO as DatabrokerDAO. DatabrokerDAO is the first marketplace to sell and buy sensor data. As a decentralized marketplace for IoT sensor data using blockchain technology. DatabrokerDAO enables sensor owners to turn generated data into revenue streams. This will open up a wealth of opportunities for various industries. Data will be used and become more effective. It is probably best to offer an analogy to explain the concept behind the DatabrokerDAO model. As we know, companies are required by law to periodically report on their revenues. These reports are published individually by each company, but entire industries, as testified to by the existence of the likes of Bloomberg, Thomson, Reuters, FactSet, and others, have emerged from simply aggregating these individual reports into large data hubs that services all kinds of other industries in turn, research houses at investment banks, quantitative trades at hedge funds, benchmark providers, etc., all of whom require this aggregated company data to run their own business and consequently pay huge sums for it. DatabrokerDAO is seeking to do something similar, but instead of the raw data being sourced from individual companies that publish reports, its raw data will come from IoT, Internet of Things, devices. But DatabrokerDAO is not the equivalent of Bloomberg or Thomson Reuters in our analogy. Rather, it is seeking to be the platform that facilitates the rise of new Bloomberg-type data aggregators who, it is hoped, will emerge to exploit and monetize the new reams of data that the world's exponentially growing number of iOS devices will serve up. Here's an example. Today, car insurance companies issue policies to their customers whose pricing depends in part on forecast estimates of vehicles usage. The more you see your vehicle, the more your insurance policy will cost. And those estimates are generally based on one simple metric, the car's mileages from the previous year. However, that metric is flawed because it assumes that two people who drive a car an equal distance over the course of the year have the same risk profile. But a more nuanced analysis would show that drivers who drive 50,000 km per year on the motorway are way less likely to be involved in an accident than those who drive 50,000 km per year in distant urban neighborhoods. As cars become increasingly digitized, however, they will increasingly find themselves fitted with GPS-type devices that can provide this more nuanced picture of vehicles usage. DatabrokerDAO's ambitions then is to create an infrastructure that will allow car manufacturers to monetize these vehicles using data by providing a set of tools which will allow others, such as insurance companies, to pay for access to the kind of data that will allow for more granular analysis of what an insurance policy should cost. This is one small example. In reality, The opportunities in the upcoming IoT age for data aggregation are going to be limitless, and the team at DatabrokerDAO is hoping to position itself as a leader in the field. The platform is focused on sensor owners are able to monetize their data and turn a sunk cost into a potential money maker, and at least the opportunity to recoup some of their investment in IoT sensors. Network operators gain scale and speed in the network operators gain scale and speed in the adoption of their network, as connected telcos can present a win back to their enterprise accounts a clear USP. Sensor manufacturers can stop the race to the bottom for production and pull resources and capital out of manufacturing and allocated this to profitable SaaS offerings. Smart city invites agricultural sector, academics. DatabrokerDAO is connected to the settlement company, a startup company focused on creating tools that simplify the creation of blockchain applications. The project concept was developed at the end of 2016. The project team is currently based in the offices of Settlement in Dubai. The DatabrokerDAO ICO is carried out by the Settlement legal entity. At this moment, I'd like to finish my video. Thanks for watching. Will be the second part of this video. See you.